This is James Gaskin at the Philadelphia iTech Show, and we're looking at a smoking printer. And this is a demonstration, a quite effective demonstration, I have to say, for C+ nationwide computer and printer repairs, and David Yarborough.
Hello.
David, stand back by your, stand there in the light. There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
Right.
Tell me about C+ and what you guys do.
We are a nationwide on-site computer and printer services company. We have a mobile field force that when you have a hardware problem, whether it's a printer or a server, you place the call with our dispatch and we send the people and the parts and get your machines back up and running to put you back in business.
And you're saying nationwide coverage, and I see there's a map right there.
Yes, sir.
And
that is
your coverage base.
Yes, sir. That's the majority of our customers. That map's a little outdated. It will be much more filled in now, but so we need to update that. That actually represents only the home offices of the companies that we provide service for.
So you had the home offices, but there's a lot of branch offices and things like that.
Well, we have one customer with over 3,000 locations. So if we put those dots up there, it just gets a little obnoxious. So.
And you work on a subscription model, right? Or a,
yes, sir, we do.
Service contract model?
We do both. 80% of our customers are on contract, and which means we for a monthly fee we provide labor and parts and freight to maintain those systems or those printers. We also do time and materials, where you place the call and we bill you by the hour or for the time you use and for the parts and the freight to get your machines running.
And I'm seeing on your other shoulder here,
yes, sir,
there's the equipment you service, including,
yes,
looks like most of the big names there.
We are very wide on the OEMs that we service, and because we've been doing this 18 years, so we've developed processes to support the techs in the field. If they're uncomfortable with a particular type of machine, we've got support at the home office to provide them the technical knowledge that they need, whether it's via manuals online or a service tech that's familiar with the machine. And we've been polishing that process for like I say, 18 years.
Now, iTech is kind of aimed at small and medium companies. So
yes, sir.
Is that your main customer base, or who are your?
It's our main customer base. Our main customer base is an IT staff that has remote sites, and we become their field force that they can't get to them quickly. We also provide services for a company that doesn't want their own people handling that problem. That's our mission.
So I know Gartner said that only 25% of small businesses still have a single location. So I guess you have a lot of.
Yes, we do.
You don't have to be a big company anymore to have a single multiple locations.
No, sir. No, sir. You don't. And that's where we really, that's our sweet spot, helping those companies.
And you're covering the Americas right now, or North America?
We do parts of Canada, parts of Mexico, and a little bit in Puerto Rico as well. But the 48 contiguous, and soon to be Hawaii as well.
So is there a lot of competition among techs to be assigned to Hawaii?
They're fighting for that spot right now. I think I've got first dibs on that one, though.
So I think David's going to open the office.
Yes, I will. I see a remote office in my future. I do.
I'm not going to move to headquarters, but you're going to visit that.
I think we will. I think we will. Yes, that's a good plan.
I'm sure Puerto Rico's not a bad location either.
Nope, I haven't made Puerto Rico office yet, though. I haven't been to that site.
Well, printers have come down. You can get an awfully good printer for not a lot of money anymore.
This is true. This is true.
Why repair a printer?
It depends on the type of printer. If you're purchasing the $200 desktop machines, it's not feasible to do repair. But we also work on the higher end machines, a lot of thermal transfer. There's a lot of mission critical machines that can't be down, and we provide those as well. A good example is like a banking system where you've got a receipt printer. Even though it's not a valuable machine, you just can't afford the downtime. So that's where our mission comes in.
So I guess financial services?
Financial services, hospital systems, manufacturing. It's very broad based, so we're not isolated or in a vertical market at all when it comes to service.
Now I notice your smoking printer over here is an HP printer.
Yes, sir, it is.
Is that because HPs break down all the time, or just
no? It's the most popular machine. HP is a very popular printer, obviously, and so we do a tremendous service work on HP.
Now the vendors say that their printers are maintenance proof or very low maintenance, but sometimes vendors are
machines break.
Enthusiastic.
Yes, machines do have problems, and it may be as simple as a firmware issue from time to time, where you're not compatible with your current system.
So you can help update the printers in the field, for instance, if necessary.
Absolutely, yes, sir.
And you can clean it out when they put the T-shirt through, try to do the thermal image on the T-shirt.
Exactly.
You've seen those, I guess.
I have seen those, yes, sir, yes, sir. And we've heard all the stories of the users that just have really unique problems. So we've seen it all by now.
What's the strangest printer repair that you can remember?
Ooh, strangest printer repair. We had a printer that had a real problem, and we couldn't find out. It also had a smell, and it turned out to be a small rodent had given up the ghost inside the machine. So that caused all kind of problems.
A small rodent had given up the ghost.
I think
housekeeping in that company.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, I've heard stories about snakes, so I don't know if you found a snake in a printer, but
no, not me personally. No, we have not. No.
Well, what can besides the fact that people need support when their printers break?
Yes.
Do customers do the maintenance they should on their printers? Can they help their printers run better if they do take a few simple steps?
And we provide that service as well. We do preventative maintenance. So when
if they're on the contract, then you visit and take care of that stuff.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It extends the life. It reduces downtime, and we do provide that service now to all of our customers.
And I have to say, the quality of printers the last few years seems to be really good.
Very, very good. It truly is. It truly is. And that dictates cost. So you can maintain your machines extremely affordable now. And we provide all the parts, all the labor, the freight. You have one. It also makes a steady statement on your books as well, so you know what your cash outlay is going to be. So you don't have any spike repair jobs.
Because you can get printers now, specialized printers are still several $1,000s.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are.
And the thermal transfer printers are more specialized and they're more expensive, right?
Yes, they are. And they are very mechanical. They have a lot of heat issues as well, so they do need some maintenance from time to time.
I guess if they've got to get hot enough inside to melt things,
yes, you've got issues. There's potential for problems.
There will be an issue.
Yes.
If you drop something in a thermal transfer printer, it's going to be a problem.
Yes, yes.
And you've cleaned some of those out.
We have. We definitely have. Yeah.
And you do computer repair too, as well?
Yes, sir.
I see the Dell and things
yes,
like
we
that.
do.
So.
We handle a lot of servers, take care of those. We also provide desktop services. If you've got, just a good example is if you've got multiple locations where you have your IT staff at the home office, we can assist in the field with repair or just even updates. If you want to change your image or populate your machines with new software, we help with those rollouts also.
Well, I know it's very expensive for big companies that they have to actually leave the IT department and touch a computer.
Yes.
And
yes.
I guess if it's expensive for them, then if you have to drive across town or fly across the country, it becomes even worse.
Yes, they can use our services, and we will be their smart hands in the field.
Smart hands in the field. Yes. Well, then you got 25 words of why C+ is the leader in this market. I'm the leader, but then everybody says they're the leader.
I'm very biased about Computer-Plus, but we are the best. We've been polishing our product for 18 years, and every day it gets better, and every day it gets stronger. Our customers find that out after just a short while. We've been very blessed with some incredibly good customers, and after they find out the quality of our service, we work hard every day to maintain that relationship. We've got some folks that have been with us almost 15 years now. That's a long time to be a customer. We're very thankful.
Well, then let's do. We've been talking to David Yarborough of Computer-Plus. You call it Computer-Plus?
We've shortened it to C+.
C+, to make it easy?
Yes.
Talking about printer and computer on-site support and remote office support. And let's see the smoking printer one more time. If you can hit the button for me.
I can do that.
Because. So if you see this, you need to not fix it yourself, right?
Absolutely. Call a professional.
Call a professional, and David Yarborough of Computer-Plus would like you to call them, but whatever you do, don't pour water on this printer. Thanks, David.
Thank you, James.
This is James Gaskin with Technology is Broken, How to Fix IT in Your Business, talking to Computer Plus at the Philadelphia iTech Show. Thanks for watching.